Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Security and Privacy and click on Lock Screen. Here, go to Fingerprints, draw your current unlock pattern if you have one, and if you don't, you'll have to create a new one. It's kind of the backup to your fingerprint. Then tap on Continue, and as you can see, power button is your fingerprint sensor. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on it with your finger till it's fully added. It usually goes a bit smoother, but with your gloves it will take some time. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. Tap on Done, and from now on you will be able to unlock this device with this fingerprint only, or you can use, okay, so I need to unlock it with different finger, or you can use this backup pattern that you set or that you had previously. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.